Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Berry Nutty Brownies. First, I'm starting off with the Formula 1 Cookies and Cream Healthy Meal, and I'm doing 4 scoops. Next, I have our chocolate protein drink mix, and I'm doing 6 scoops. I'm doing 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I'm adding 2 scoops of our baking goods mix, half a cup of Truvia, half a cup of PV Fit. I'm adding half a cup of blueberries. These are the dried up kind. Then half a cup of cranberries. Half a cup of oats. And then I'm adding macadamia nuts, and then 1 cup of egg whites, a cup of almond milk, I'm gonna have to add a little bit more. Like I said, you make sure just to have that thicker kind of brownie batter. Don't want this to be runny. And you're going to preheat the oven to 350 and cook for about 20 minutes. Make sure you spray your brownie pan with some coconut oil. And while they're in the oven, I'm going to be melting my almond bark. I use chocolate almond bark. Make sure that you just do it like 30 seconds at a time so it doesn't burn. And then I top them with my almond bark and sprinkles, and that's how you make the Berry Nutty Brownies. Thanks for watching.